If you're tired of the 9 to 5 grind and looking for ways to boost your income, or even transition into a full-time gig, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into 5 incredible side hustles you can start right now. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone with a bit of extra time on their hands, there's something here for everyone. Stick around because these side hustles could change your life. Let's get started. 5. Freelance writing. First up, have you ever considered freelance writing? It's a fantastic way to utilize your writing skills while making some serious cash. You can work on your schedule, pick the topics you love, and build a solid portfolio. Many websites and businesses are constantly in need of high quality content, and freelance writing offers flexibility and great earning potential. As a freelance writer, you have the freedom to choose the projects that interest you the most. Whether you're passionate about travel, technology, or lifestyle, there's a niche for you. With persistence and dedication, you can grow your clientele and even transition into a full-time writing career. It's one of my personal favorites. 4. E-commerce. Now let's talk about the world of e-commerce. Selling products online through platforms like Etsy or eBay is a booming side hustle. This hustle is perfect for those with a creative streak or a passion for collecting unique items. You can turn your hobbies into a profitable venture. Whether you're into crafting, vintage items, or collectibles, there's a market for your unique products. Starting an online store is more accessible than ever, and you can reach a global audience. Building a successful e-commerce business takes time and effort, but the potential for profit is significant. It's time to transform your hobbies into a money-making machine. 3. Games. Up next, for the gamers out there, did you know you can actually make money playing video games? Streaming your gameplay on platforms like Twitch or YouTube and participating in esports tournaments can turn your hobby into a lucrative hustle. The gaming industry is growing rapidly, and opportunities for gamers to monetize their skills are abundant. You can build an audience that shares your passion and even attract sponsorships and advertising revenue. Becoming a professional gamer or content creator is a competitive journey, but with the right dedication and a unique personality, you can turn your love for gaming into a profitable venture. It's not just about fun, it's about income too. 2. Virtual assistant. Ever thought about becoming a virtual assistant? Many entrepreneurs and businesses are looking for reliable assistants to handle administrative tasks. This side hustle allows you to work from the comfort of your home, manage appointments, handle emails, and help businesses grow. It's a win-win situation. Virtual assistants are in high demand as businesses seek cost-effective solutions to handle administrative work. You can offer a range of services from data entry to social media management. Your organizational skills and attention to detail can be your greatest assets in this hustle. The best part is, you can choose your clients and workload, giving you the flexibility to balance your side hustle with your other commitments. 1. Graphic design. Lastly, if you're a creative soul, graphic design might be your calling. There's a high demand for logos, social media graphics, and other visual content. You can create a killer portfolio and start attracting clients in no time. The world of design is vast, and so are the opportunities. Graphic design is a versatile and in-demand field. Businesses of all sizes require visually appealing content for their branding and marketing efforts. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, you can build a portfolio that showcases your unique style and capabilities. With dedication and a keen eye for design, you can secure regular clients and even turn this side hustle into a full-time career.